In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a Shopify theme that perfectly suits your online store. Selecting the right theme is crucial because it not only affects the aesthetic appeal of your store, but also impacts your customer's experience and ultimately, your sales. So, let's dive in and explore how you can find the perfect theme for your Shopify store. Firstly, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with several options. You want to click on Online Store, which will expand to show more choices underneath. From these options, select Themes. This is where the magic begins. The Themes section is essential because it is the hub from where you can control the overall look and feel of your store. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll notice a few options. Go ahead and select on an Import Theme if you have a theme package you've already downloaded. However, if you're exploring new options, your next step is to click on Visit Theme Store. This is where you get to really explore your creative options. In the Shopify Theme Store, you have access to a wide array of themes, both free and available for purchase. As you browse through, take note of the various styles, layouts, and features offered. The theme store is thoughtfully organized to help you find themes based on specific industries and needs, such as fashion or electronics, making it easier to find one that resonates with your brand. Once you find a theme that catches your eye, click on it to delve into more details. Each theme page offers an overview that highlights its functionalities and what types of stores it's particularly suited for. Here, you also have the opportunity to click View Demo. This demo is a fully functional version of a store set up with the selected theme, allowing you to navigate through it as if you were a customer. Take your time to explore the demo. Pay attention to the layout, navigation, and overall feel of the theme to ensure it aligns with your vision and user experience goals. Once you've made up your mind and found the theme that perfectly matches what you're looking for, your next step is to click Install if it's a free theme, or Purchase if it's a paid option. This process is straightforward, and Shopify guides you through each step to ensure the theme is applied seamlessly to your store. And that's all there is to it. Choosing and applying a Shopify theme is as easy as that. Remember, your theme can significantly influence how customers interact with your store, so taking the time to select the right one can make a big difference in your online success. Thanks for joining me today, and happy theme hunting!